Now, how do you play this game again?
Are you serious?
I've never played it.
Well, admittedly, I wasn't one of the best players. I wasn't the worst. I got the shaky hand. That makes more sense. That's a Nimrod sometimes. Oh, can I have that piece again?
We don't need it, do we?
Yes. You look like Dillinger with your hair slick like that. That little part in the front. Oops. Alright, who wants to be first? I build it, you can be first then.
Alright.
You can't start from the top. I remember that was it. Yeah. See, I got the shaky hands. Oh, see, that's what we did do. Sometimes we started a new one, even if that one wasn't done. But you're saying just each row has to be made. Okay. Oh. You gonna fix that?
I wasn't planning on it.
You should. I think you're supposed to get fucking bug. All right.
He's gonna blow it. Oh. Okay. Nope, not that one.
Oh.
Oh no. Ah!
Oh.
Are you allowed to do that?
I think so. Yeah, I might be screwing myself because it could fall, but it didn't. Oh yeah, check it out. That's what makes it interesting. You can only do the middles for so long. Ah, yeah.
Ah!
Damn you.
JENGA!
Oh my god. Dude.
Uh-huh.
I don't think I'm gonna do it. I don't think I'm gonna win this one. I have a chance here.
Cheater.
Not cheating. Oh. Damn you! We have in two spots like that. Yeah. you mind if I film you? No, just film your hands. Well, I can't do that. Oh my god. You little demon.
Oh no.
It's not. Oh!
I'm supposed to give it 5 seconds.
You mean between each turn? Oh. Dude.
What's dude?
I'm worried for you. Seriously? You bastard. You snake. Oh. You get a little attitude, you know?
What are you talking about?
I know. Oh, I don't think I'm going to win this one.
No. In the middle.
Praise Jesus. Praise Jesus.
Ah! Jenga! Ah! Jenga!
The way I screamed. Oh, you put up a good fight, sir.
Dang it! I thought I had it.
I did too. I honestly thought you were going to do this one.